Most people think starting a business is about having a great idea. But the truth? Ideas are cheap. Execution wins. And if you don't fix one thing first, your side hustle will fail before it even begins. As a matter of fact, most people start businesses backwards. They obsess now over details like, what is the best business name? Do I need an LLC? What website builder should I use? But they miss the real first step, the one that actually gives their business staying power. And that's why so many side hustles never make it past the brainstorming phase or flame out after a few months with zero results. The first thing you need before a website, before a business plan, is clarity on your why. And not like the shallow stuff. I want more money. That won't carry you through the hard times when you're tired. I want to work for myself. Won't be enough when your friends don't get your idea or your idea flops for the first time. I do like my job. Won't be enough for you to work hard on the 9 to 5 and then work hard from the 5 to 9. When I started DJing and I started Firewatch business, I wrote this down. I want to create freedom for my family and help others do the same. That sentence became my filter, my compass. When opportunities came up, I'd ask myself, does that move me toward freedom or helping others, or is it just a distraction? I'm talking about the deep personal reason that'll keep you going when the tough, hard times come. It's why I show up. It's why I push through doubt. It's why I stay disciplined to do the work. And I hope you're watching this video right now. If you want to build a business that lasts, not a hobby, not a hustle that just fizzles, let me show you the real foundation of business, not the stuff you see on social media, TikTok, or YouTube where you can get rich in 3 weeks. I'm talking about the foundation triangle. It starts there. The first is your why. What's driving you? What are you sick of? What's worth sacrificing your evenings and weekends for? Your who. Who do you want to serve? Be specific, not just everyone. Is it tired moms, busy professionals, local business owners? Here at Firewatch Business, we want to help people leave their 9 to 5s via a side hustle and start their own business. What is their pain? What are they struggling with? And what would they gladly pay you to fix? If you have those 3 items, you're ready to start something meaningful. Everything else, the offer, the branding, the strategy, everything else flows from that triangle. And if you have one corner of the foundation triangle missing, your business is going to feel confusing, not only to you, but to your customers as well. And when I talk about purpose or person's why, it always reminds me of Proverbs 19:21. It says, "Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it's the Lord's purpose that prevails." Now, I'm going to break this down with a real-world example. Mine. I'm working as a CPA in a good job, stable income. I know I was built for more than just spreadsheets and financials. I don't want to get by. I want freedom. I want more time with my family. I want to build something, maybe a legacy. I want the ability to work from anywhere. I'm tired of just managing someone else's bottom line. My why was, and still is, freedom. Freedom to choose how I spend my time. Freedom to provide more than just enough for my family. And more importantly, freedom to help others get freedom too. I realize I have a heart for people like me. Guys working hard in their 9 to 5 jobs, feeling trapped, but unsure how to escape. Guys who know they have a dream, but they don't have a plan. Now, they're paying. They're tired. They're out of time. They feel like they're running in place, earning okay money, but building someone else's dream instead of their own. And most of all, they don't have anyone pushing them to take action. Man, that's why I started Firewatch Business, not just to talk about side hustles, but to help people break out of their rut and build a business with direction and accountability. And yeah, back when I'm DJing weddings on the weekends, that side hustle isn't my final destination. But it has been a stepping stone that has taught me how to build income on my own terms. And that's what I want to help people do now. So, when you're building your business, start with this triangle: your why, your who, and their pain. If those three things are solid, you can build a business that actually matters. That's why this triangle matters. You don't need the perfect business idea to start. You need a reason to start, a direction to grow into. That sentence I wrote down, I want to create freedom for my family and help others do the same. I look at it every day. Because a business plan is helpful, but a mission? That's what gets you through the days when you want to quit. The biggest mistake new entrepreneurs make: they chase random opportunities without checking them against their mission. Man, I've done it. I've done that. I've said yes to stuff that drained me and distracted me and did not move me 1 inch closer to my goal. So before you build a website or order business cards, pause. Ask yourself, what do I want this business to do for me and for others? So here's my challenge to you. Don't start with an idea. Start with a mission. That's your why. And if you have trouble finding out what your why is, and you need more in-depth discussion and a worksheet about it, you need to watch this video next. And keep on hustling.